Hi, this is Mimi from Mimi's Paper Crafting. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are making a place setting, 3D place setting card? Ornament? I don't know what it's going to be considered. Oh my gosh, can I get words out today? Probably not. But I have one more Christmas video after this, and that's it for Christmas. I'm done. I'm so tired of Christmas. It's what day is it? December 6th, and I am sick and tired of Christmas. So let's get started. I am using this 3-inch circle punch, and this Christmas paper I just got from my Echo Park box, and it was sitting there, so I grabbed it. And I am just going to take out paper that is, I know what I want. I don't want any like patterns like that. I think I'm going to use one of the plaids, but which one is the question. Which plaid? By the way, this paper smells so good. You guys, like, paper is the best. Oh, I like how this comes with to and from tags. Maybe I'll use this instead of, I think that's what I'll use. I'll use one of these, and then look at all these nice cut aparts. And then I'm not a fan of border strips, to be honest. I don't really use them. I think I'm going to use this green plaid is what I think I'm going to use. Okay, so we're going to put this aside, and then we have this that I'm going to put aside for now, and this is what we have, and I'm going to cut 5 3-inch circles. Now, I didn't test this out, so we're going to hope it works. We're going to hope what I have in my head works. It should. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 5 of those, and then I'm not going to use oh good, here it is. I have some black. I'm not going to use my scoreboard. I'm just going to fold them in half. Okay, just going to fold them in half and burnish them down. Hoping to get these 2 videos done, and then that's next week's videos, and next week I can get everything else done so I don't have to worry about videos like around, like, I can be done because it's Christmas and then a lot of prep. So what I'm gonna do, let's actually do them the other way, right? Duh, what was I thinking? We need them to be this way, that way, but that's fine. Sorry if my throat has been super dry lately. All I'm going to do is start gluing them together like this. So the funny thing is, this is the second like place card type video I've made. I don't use place cards. It's always a free-for-all in my family. Tell me, do you guys use place cards? Are you fancy like that? Or do you just like to give out a little maybe gift? Like, I think this would be a cute gift because then it's a personalized you can use it as an ornament, so it's like a little personalized gift. So we're just gluing half the circle to the circle before, and then this one will get glued to the one side and then the other. Sorry if you hear that. That is my washer. My washer is done. Well, it's not mine. It's not even my wash. Okay, so we have that. And then glue this side also. So you just push it down. Let's line it up as best as we can. And then we have this little guy right here. Okay. He doesn't stand up very well because, you know, he's a circle. He's a circle. He's not going to stand up. But there you go. We have that. And now let's work on the ornament top. I think when I was trying to figure out in my head what I was going to do, I came up with 1.5 by 1.5 5 times, right? Just like we just did. We'll see. We're doing this together. So I need 2 more. Okay, we'll see. I don't know if this is going to work. I'm not sure. So once again, we're just going to fold in half. I have all the noises down here today. That's my furnace, if you can hear that. All the noises. And I can't close the doors to my craft room or out in the other room. Why? Because I can be down here for hours and there's only one heater to heat this entire basement, and it is in the room right next to me. And it's an old radiator, and it's the only thing that heats this basement, so the doors have to stay open to heat the basement. Sorry. It doesn't help that my allergies have been really bad. Okay, so if we do this the same way, see, that's what I was thinking. Oh, that is way too big. Let's cut that down. Let's do it to 1 inch. So 1 inch by 1.5 inches. Because that was way too big. There we go. Now, is that better? What do you think? Is that better? I guess so. And then put them in like this and sandwich them like that. Let's try that. I'm trying to, I think those might still be too big. What do you guys think? I'm going to cut them down. Rather be safe than sorry, right? And then you'll know. So we'll go, let's see. Oh, that's better, right? Yeah, that's better. So 3/4 inch by 1.5 inches with 3-inch circles. Okay. That is my final measurement. That was still just slightly too big. Let me see. I have cold coffee next to me, and that's all I have to drink. So I might have to run upstairs and get a drink. Or I could be lazy. Hold on, I gotta text my boyfriend anyway, let him know to switch over his darn laundry, and then I can have him bring me a drink. Okay, so that was my thing. I said, hey, your laundry's done, and can you bring me an ice water? It's alright. I'm just gonna put some glue here. I don't know how far this goes. Okay. So I'm just going to squeeze that shut, and then glue here. Okay. And just do the same thing all the way around. Come on, pick up. Okay. And like that. I like projects like this because you don't really need a lot of supplies. You know what I mean? Like you're using a trimmer, and I just want this to glue together, and then we will come this way and glue. Okay, here he comes. Thank you, dear.
You're welcome. Did you tell your mom her thing's done?
No, I did not yet.
No.
You hear that, Mom? Your clock's done. Your clock's fixed, Mom. I will also remember to text you. Don't worry, I will. Her clock fell off the wall, and her whole clock just exploded. So, the boyfriend fixed it. Why is this one... Okay, there we go. Why is this one look bigger than the other one? You see that? Look at that. They're all cut the same size. You watched me do it. You watched me. You watched me, but how did it end up different? I don't know. Okay. So there we go. So now we have the ornament, the top, and what I'm going to do, it could sit that way a little bit better. That's not the way it goes, but it sits a little bit better that way. You know what? How I would have this? I would have this, honestly, on my tree as little thank you for coming gifts. I don't know how this one got so much longer, but we're just going to trim it. I don't know what happened there. They all are. I feel like that's probably my gluing fault. It's probably how I glued it, more than how I cut it. It was just those two, and maybe because it was the last two. But there we go. All it needed was a little haircut. So then we have this. And then, like I said, I think I would have it hanging off the tree. And then we just need this, and let's find one of these to use. Okay, how about, obviously one of the smaller ones. We don't want to go super big. So I'm just going to, where's my trimmer? Here's my trimmer. Trim this bottom off, because or else I can't get into my trimmer. Alright, and then just going to cut off this one strip. And because it's the top one, we're just going to use the top one. So there we go. We'll just use that one. Okay. And then trim off this a little bit. There we go. And we're going to, I think I'm going to use the small one since it's so small. And then just take one of these and clip a hole in it. And sorry if you can't hear me. I'm digging in my I was digging in my, ooh, sorry. I'm such a klutz. Seriously. Serious klutz. I was digging in my ribbon and trim drawer. So, is how I would do it. Put this here. Put string through. Okay. And if you wanted to, you could use die cuts. Maybe I'll do that. Let me have this. So then this could be at their place setting. To from. I just think the to from is cute. I think that's a cute little addition. But it could even just, it doesn't have to sit up. You can have it sitting like this at the place setting. Or like I said, I would hang it on the tree. And if you wanted, you could use your die cut machine and write out their name. Or if you, I've said this before, if you can write nice. I'm not the best at writing nice. This is it. I think it's cute and it was easy to make. It was simple. You saw me doing it on camera, so I did it quick and easy. Make sure your stuff, this is the only thing that's going to bother me. That was on me. I must have at one point glued one on, and then that screwed up the rest. And it was only that one. See, the rest of them are fine. Weird. But there you go. A cute little ornament, and this took me 15 minutes. That is it. And I think these would look cute on your tree. Then you go grab it off the tree, or you tell them to find their name on the tree, and they grab their little ornament, or like I said, a place setting at your table. I mean, you can like easily probably find a way to have it at your place setting. Yeah. But it's cute. So there you go. A quick and easy little gift for those that are coming to your house for Christmas dinner. And it was, I mean, it was honestly, that was super quick. To the point where I still have one more Christmas video to do, and I thought that I would have time to figure it out during this video, but no, I don't. So thanks so much for joining me today. I'm dropping crap everywhere, so maybe it's time for me to be done. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a great rest of your day.